Welcome to 2725 Edge Hill Road in Huntington Valley, PA. This lovely stone home offers a wonderful blend of old and new, offering the charm of old with a spacious family room addition. The original home has 10-foot ceilings, wood floors, great wide baseboards and moldings, deep window sills, pocket doors to a lovely oversized formal dining room overlooking the scenic rear yard. The living room offers a wood-burning fireplace with a wood mantel and tumbled marble surround and hearth. The master suite on the second floor has a full remodeled bath, plus stairs to a third-floor master retreat that could be a sitting room or office with lots of extra closet and storage space. The first floor includes a playroom or office. There's a newer two-car garage, newer windows, newer central air, oil baseboard heat with a newer heat pump for the central air and the heat in the spring and fall. The natural gas hookup has been run to the home for the gas dryer. All rooms are freshly painted, neutral, with tons of natural light. Almost an acre of fenced grounds. This home has too many features to mention here. We're having an open house this Sunday, January 14th, from 1 to 3 in the afternoon. Please stop by. If you have any questions before then, please feel free to call or text me at 267-566-4718. I look forward to seeing you. This is Herb Marizzi from Remax Properties. Thanks for listening.